Hi and welcome to this Blueprint Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, I'm going to go over Aussie US dollar as price has broken a little bit lower from the 0.8 level. So 0.8 level, nice big psychological level on the Aussie US dollar. Price has recently come and retested that and reacted quite negatively at this level. One thing to take note is obviously the Aussie US dollar trend is very much to the upside. You know, I typically look at this market and only want to be a buyer of it. Now we know, and what we've been, like I said, every time we've kind of taken a video lately, we're talking about the impulse moves and the retracement moves in the market and how the lower time frames react in those different moves. So in the retracement move, for instance, we're likely to see a 4-hour downtrend if the overall market is uptrending, and on the rallies and the impulse moves, the 4-hour will likely uptrend in line with the overall sentiment of the market. So Aussie US dollar very much heavily pushing to the upside now, retesting 0.800. Now I always look at this and go, where would I want to be a buyer from? Now, the main sort of area for me would be back down around about 0.78. The reason being is because we have multiple resistances at this point. So I would expect the market to come and retest this area. Now, whether it continues down or breaks the upside, we don't know at that point. Sentiment may change at those points. But for me, the price will likely test this level if we do start seeing a pullback. Now, the first sign that we are going to see a pullback is the daily chart forming this bearish. If it does form this bearish close, and obviously we've got a few hours left before the close of the day yet, but if this does close like this, there could be a potential to look for a reversal trend. Now, what I would look for is a change of trend on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see in that impulse move, look, the market is making higher highs and higher lows. Very simple to jump on the back of those moves. On this occasion, we don't have that just yet. So if we were going to see the retracement, however, the current low will likely get broken, which is down around about 7,890. So one or two things will happen. We'll just take out the low and continue down, or we'll form a reversal pattern, very much like a double top pattern, which will then give us an opportunity to look for the continuation to the downside. At the moment, it's still looking like price is still very bullish. If I highlight kind of this area here and say, you know, even though yields are skyrocketing at the moment, which is helping the dollar bulls at the minute, there is still option to look for a potential last sort of effort long in here on a trend based strategy. So if you were looking at this on trend, what you would be looking for is the opportunity for the market to double bottom in this area, continue back up towards that 0.8 level. Obviously the longer term outlook then looks a little bit different because of that daily candlestick setup. It's looking like price wants to retrace, and if it does, then we'll expect the 4-hour trend to change and we'd look for short opportunities back down to the key support. Hope you enjoyed this video update, and I'll see you in the next one.